Traders, jumping back in for the third video of the day in which I wanted to go over Nio. But before I did that, I wanted to say thank you. We're at 133 subscribers, continuing to build the channel, and we want to continue to grow. So if you're watching, slap the subscribe button. I promise you won't be disappointed. Let's get into Nio here, because Nio has done something that made me laugh this morning. I tweeted a tweet on Twitter. Let me pull it up. Oops, that is TikTok. Twitter. That made me laugh because there's so many people that are inherently bullish against Nio. And I just think it's funny. Said, Nio haters are underwater choking on the FUD they created. Crazy chart right here. And you can see that this was during the intraday high when you had the breakout of this bull flag from the initial move, right, the initial pump, and you have the daily golden cross about to happen while the daily MACD cross is happening. And I will say, watching this chart over the last couple of weeks, this is one of the most special trades on the market right now. I do truly believe that. And you're probably going to say, why is it Nio? Nio, fundamentally terrible company, underwater in debt. But the chart is just painting this stupid story of a double bottom or an Adam and Eve double bottom into this bull flag at the resistance in which you've broken out of, and you're now on your way to a golden cross on the daily time frame, a daily MACD cross, while you're above the midband on the Bollinger Bands, while they're the tightest they've been on the chart's history, while on the 4-hour you're flagging out looking for higher price action, right? Let's just draw this now and see what happens. See what becomes of it. TBD. We will see tomorrow, most likely, what becomes of this, whether you break down and test the top of this, or whether you go for that complete, not a gap fill, but complete resistance at 550 to 556 that we've been talking about on this stock for about a month now in our last couple videos. And I am absolutely jacked. I couldn't be happier that people that are bullish on this stock are getting paid, and people that are bearish on the stock are getting toasted. So what happens when you touch 550? What happens is most likely a rejection, right? You most likely get rejected, and maybe you come all the way down, or you come to this uptrend right here. Maybe it takes a while. Either way, completely fine by me, guys. Completely fine by me. The stock is set up. And you did just break this longer term bull flag, which, mind you, the profit target took you up to $7. So there's a very real possibility that Nio's not done yet. I doubt it'll happen, but it could happen. It depends what happens on the chart. If this thing wants to smash through 550 to 570 and then go test that $7 range. Anything's possible here, guys, especially when you're set up the way you are on Nio. It looks disgusting. We're going to continue to cover it. Daily MACD cross, daily golden cross, and then a daily gap up at 658. Some stuff that Nio has to claim, and it has to push with good volume. That's my coverage. That's my third video for the day on Nio. Like I said, slap the subscribe button. I appreciate each and every single one of you, because we're continuing this momentum that we've been on at 133 subscribers, guys. Please blow it up. I appreciate you guys. God bless. Peace.